Today, we're going to go through a quick overview of Trusted Advisor, a unique offering from Amazon Web Services. Trusted Advisor is a great, simple-to-use tool available for AWS Business and Enterprise Support subscribers. Trusted Advisor inspects your AWS infrastructure and makes recommendations when opportunities exist to save money, optimize your infrastructure for performance and fault tolerance, and button up any unnecessary security gaps. To access the Trusted Advisor portal, navigate to aws.amazon.com/support/Trusted Advisor. Upon accessing the portal, you'll arrive at your personalized Trusted Advisor dashboard, where you'll have instant visibility into the overall status of your account and where you may want to focus most of your efforts. For ease of use, we've split the various checks into multiple categories, such as cost optimizing, security, fault tolerance, and performance. Near the bottom of the Summary tab, you'll see the Recently Launched section, where we'll continue to highlight new checks as we continue to define new AWS best practices based on our in-depth experience working with engineering teams, customers, and industry experts. Next to each check, you'll see either a green, yellow, or red icon indicating the status of the individual check. Green, indicating that you're running in a configuration that meets or exceeds our best practices. Yellow, if we believe that you may want to investigate an item further, or red if there are some serious security or fault tolerance gaps that might leave your environment vulnerable. If you'd like detailed information about any specific check, or you'd like more insight into the criteria for the check itself, you can roll your mouse over the information icon on the right side of the page, where a flyout will give you a detailed description of the AWS best practices for this specific area. As we add additional checks to Trusted Advisor, we want to keep the portal as simple to use as possible and have given the ability to tab through the different categories, as well as expand and retract the individual checks themselves. Additionally, we believe that some of our customers will want to consume this data outside of the Trusted Advisor portal and have given our customers the ability to export the data into a format that can be consumed in a more programmatic fashion. Now let's take a moment and focus on a check from each category. Under Cost Optimization, we can see the Underutilized EC2 instance check. AWS is constantly working to reduce our costs for our customers, and this check takes it a step further by helping to identify instances that are running for an extended period of time with low utilization. This can help our customers identify where there may be opportunities to leverage auto-scaling groups, co-locate applications, or even manually stop instances when they're not being utilized in order to save significant cost on your monthly bill. Also under Cost Optimization, we have the EC2 Reserved Instance check, which will calculate the optimal number of reserved instance purchases that can lead to a significant savings, up to 59% over standard on-demand hourly rates, all while guaranteeing EC2 capacity for your critical elastic infrastructure. Under the Security category, one of the most popular checks is the Security Group Open Ports check. This check can help identify EC2 instances and the applications and data on those instances that are open and accessible publicly and vulnerable to anyone with malicious intent. In the check details, we can see exactly what ports are considered a high security risk, as well as those which may be less of a security concern, assuming that you're following other best practices. For example, in some cases, our customers may be taking additional security precautions, such as limiting access through an internal software firewall. So we've also given the ability for our customers to suppress individual resources for each specific check. Under Fault Tolerance checks, we can see the Ebs Snapshots check. While EBS volumes are designed for reliability, they're still exposed to durability risks caused by concurrent hardware failures of multiple components. Ebs Snapshots provide the ability for a point-in-time snapshot of your data to be backed up to Amazon S3, significantly improving durability and availability by allowing you to create replacement EBS volumes in any availability zone within the same region. Additional checks in the fault-tolerant category are various availability zone checks pertaining to EC2, ELB, and RDS, which help give insight into the distribution of your applications across multiple availability zones to help avoid architectural design flaws that may lead to a single point of failure. Finally, while we believe that Trusted Advisor should be simple to use and very straightforward, we're passionate about helping our customers build scalable, high-performing, and always available applications, and want to encourage our customers to reach out to our expert staff. As such, we've added a contact support link in the upper right-hand corner of the portal, where you can get in direct contact with an engineer to review your existing infrastructure and discuss AWS best practices to ensure your success running your application in AWS. This concludes our short demo on Trusted Advisor. If you have any feedback, please use our feedback request form near the top of the portal.